In this video, I'll show you how to do the cross product of vectors without memorizing anything during your H2 A-level exam. So let's get started. Okay, to find the cross product of vectors, we can make use of your formula booklet. So turn to page 4 of your MF26, and under the integration section, you see the vector section, and there is the formula to find the vector product. Alright, so we can apply this formula in order to find the vector product of two vectors. So let me illustrate with an example now. So for instance, we have these two vectors, 1, 2, 0, and I want to cross it with 5, minus 1, 0. Okay, so how do I do it? So by applying this formula here, okay, I will be able to find the vector product. So if you look at this formula here, it tells us that this is A1, this is B1, this is A2, this is B2, and this is A3, and this is B3. And to find the vector product, right, we will first take A2, which is this, times B3, minus A3 times B2. So let's do it together. So A2 times B3, so 2 times 0 gives 0, minus A3 times B2, which is 0, times minus 1, which also gives 0. Moving on, we have A3 times B1 minus A1 times B3. So A3 is here. So A3, okay, times B1, so 0 times 5 is 0, minus A1 times B3. So 1 times 0 is also 0. Okay, and finally, we have A1 times B2 minus A2 times B1. So A1, which is here, times B2. So 1 times minus 1 is minus 1. Then minus A2 times B1, which is 2 times 5, which is 10. Okay, so simplifying it, I have 0, 0, minus 11. So the cross product of these two vectors, 1, 2, 0, and 5 minus 1, 0, will give 0, 0, minus 11.